This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be working on a Air Force One, an oldie but a goodie for my boy Joshua Timms. He wants a Boston Red Sox. I didn't know Josh watched baseball. This is new to me. But today we gonna knock him way out the park. Trust and believe. Let's go. Josh, these things look like wood, bro. Like wood. We might have to double up on this one.
We can do that, bro. We can do that. That thing right there is going in the car in the chest thing I got.
Come to my channel every week and you have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, go ahead. You like the value, you see the shoes, go ahead, subscribe to the channel right now. Go ahead, hit the button. You hit the button, you're a part of the family. All right, back to the video. man, that shoe right there. That shoe right there. Somebody told me that might be the best shoe that I've come out with yet so far. Man, listen, I got a bunch of treats coming out, man. I got a Baltimore Ravens. I got Miami Dolphins coming. Man, I got so many shoes, man. It is getting ridiculous. Man, listen, I appreciate all the love that I've been getting. Man, comment, like, but definitely subscribe to the channel. Man, I got a bunch of heat, and y'all better keep it coming, because by the time football season here and y'all don't have y'all order in, y'all gonna be in trouble. Whoa, listen, hey, I see you guys maybe the week after. It's my daughter's birthday next week, so I'm gonna be out of pocket, but I got Del Bay coming up. He got something special. 9-5 for life. We gone. Let's go.